Right now, people are making money using AI tools. Some people are earning extra income. Others are building full-time online businesses, but most beginners do not know where to start. They also do not know which tools actually work. In this video, I will show you 5 AI tools that can help you make money online. Make sure you watch till the end because the last tool is very powerful. If you want to make money online without spending money and without learning difficult skills, then this video is for you. Let us start with the first tool, ChatGPT. This AI tool can write content for you. It can write blogs, scripts, emails, and ideas. People are using ChatGPT to offer writing services online. For example, you can create content for clients and get paid for it. Simple work at real income. Now the second tool, Canva AI. This tool helps you create designs. You can make thumbnails, logos, and posts. Many people are selling thumbnails online. You can create designs using Canva and sell them to clients. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning online as a beginner. Now the third tool, Pictory AI. This tool turns text into video. You write a script and the tool creates a video for you. This is how faceless YouTube channels work. You do not need a camera and you do not need to show your face. You can start a YouTube channel and grow it using AI tools. Now the fourth tool, 11 Labs. This tool creates AI voice. You can create professional voiceovers without recording your own voice. People use this for YouTube videos, audiobooks, and client projects. It saves a lot of time and sounds very realistic. Now the final tool, Durable AI. This tool can create a website very fast. You can create a complete website in seconds without any coding skills. People use it to create websites for small businesses and charge clients for it. What used to take days can now be done in minutes. These were 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make money online. The best part is most of them are beginner-friendly and do not require any investment. If you are serious about making money online, pick one tool, learn it properly, and start taking action. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos about AI tools and online earning. And do not forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new video. See you in the next video.